Hello friends, today we will study SOR successive over relaxation method. पिछले वीडियोस में हमने गॉस जैकोबी और गॉस सीडल मेथड के बारे में डिस्कस किया था. So today we will study SOR method. Gauss Seidel method we will use here for the derivation of SOR method. And we know the formula for Gauss Seidel method in matrix form is like this. Bracket d plus l bracket close x raised to power k plus 1 is equal to minus u x raised to power k plus b. Now what we will do, we will multiply the whole equation both side with d inverse. So we get this equation. I plus d inverse l in brackets x raised to power k plus 1 is equal to minus d inverse u x raised to power k plus d inverse b. Now in order to derive SOR method, we will define an auxiliary vector with the help of equation number 1 as follow. So we on the left hand side we retain x raised to power k plus 1 and give it as a new name x cap raised to power k plus 1. Rest of the terms we will take on the right hand side. So it will become d inverse l x raised to power k plus 1 in negative sign, and rest of the terms are minus d inverse u x raised to power k plus d inverse b. This we called as equation number 2. Now the main motive, as already I am discussing in my every video, that main motive is to derive this type of formula for the iteration method to solve a system of a linear equations. Further, for that we write the solution of SOR method as x raised to power k plus 1 x raised to power k plus w x cap k plus 1 minus x raised to power k. So if we collect the terms having x raised to power k as common, this we will get this expression and we call this as equation number 3. Now what is w here? W is the quantity, we called it as relaxation parameter. If w is greater than 1, then the method is called over relaxation method, and if w is less than 1, then it is called under relaxation method. So w is a parameter, we called it as a relaxation parameter. As we are studying successive over relaxation method, so we take w is equal to 1 in our numerical problems. Now from this equation number 2, we will put the value of x raised to power k x raised to power cap k plus 1 in our equation number 3. After substituting the value in equation number 3 and solving the equations, we get the formula like this: x raised to power k plus 1 is equal to bracket d plus wl bracket close raised to power minus 1, again square bracket 1 minus w in bracket d minus wu bracket close square x raised to power k plus w in brackets d plus wl raised to power minus 1 into b. So we call this whole expression as h and call this whole expression as c. So we have this formula which is known as successive over relaxation method formula. As we are solving the system of linear equation, and in particular my videos are based on system of linear equation containing 3 unknowns. So here is an example. We will take w is equal to 1.17 here and we will solve these equation. For that what we need d plus wl raised to power minus 1. As already explained, d is the diagonal matrix from this coefficient matrix, L is the lower triangular matrix, and U is the upper triangular matrix. So if we substitute the values in this formula number 4, we get over required iteration formula, and by substituting the initial values starting from 0 0 0, we get the next approximation. After doing 5 iteration, we get the required answer. Thank you.